If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, go to the Control Center or Quick Settings, and over here you can try to find the Quick Share button. It should be added over here by default, so you can just open Quick Share just like that. Then you can go to Send, and you should be able to select files that you want to transfer to someone. Let's select anything that you want to transfer. You can, of course, choose just individual files over here. Or you can, for example, press and hold your finger in order to select the first file, and then you can select multiple files at once. And then once you select everything, you should be able to simply tap on the select in the upper right corner to select those files. And then over here, we should be able to detect nearby devices, and you can send those selected files to those devices that you can, of course, find over here. You can also generate a QR code in case you cannot detect any device whatsoever, so then on that other device we can scan that QR code and get these files. And for the other person who is trying to receive files, it is recommended to, for example, open this receive menu, because as long as you stay here, we are temporarily visible to everyone. You can, of course, change the visibility so that it doesn't really matter if you are in the receive menu or not. If you set to everyone up here, and then of course you should be able to always receive those files. But in case you choose contacts, then of course you can go to this receive menu. Now, another thing that is worth mentioning is that you don't really have to go to the quick share menu straight away in order to send files. You can also use the share button in every app that has some sort of data. So for example, if I go to the Photos app, I should be able to select anything in here, and I can use the share button after selecting whatever I want to send to someone. And as you can see here, we can choose quick share. Sometimes you can immediately find devices when trying to use the share button. So if I select a couple of example files and if I go to share, sometimes you can find devices with from quick share straight away over here, so you don't really have to go to quick share to transfer files with quick share. But sometimes you have to go there and your files are going to be selected immediately, and then you can just send to nearby devices. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.